Dr. Anirban Chakraborty says that one of the most common questions he hears from patients is, "Doctor, can I eat oats? Everyone says oats are healthy. Should I switch from rice or roti to oats?" Oats have been heavily marketed as a health food, especially for heart health and diabetes. You see the packets in every supermarket with big labels saying helps reduce cholesterol or good for diabetes. But are they really as good as they sound? Dr. Chakraborty explains that the truth about oats is more complicated. Oats are better than polished white rice or refined flour, but they are not a magic food. They are still a grain. They still contain carbohydrates. And the way you eat oats makes all the difference. He shares the story of a middle-aged gentleman who came proudly saying, "Doctor, I gave up paranthas. Now I eat instant oats every morning with sugar and milk. Why is my sugar still high?" Dr. Chakraborty explained that the problem was not just the oats, but the way they were prepared. Instant oats are highly processed. They cook quickly, but they also raise blood sugar quickly. And when mixed with sugar and milk, the spike is even worse. Another patient, a lady in her 50s, said, "Doctor, I started eating oats biscuits and oats noodles because they were advertised as healthy. But my sugar has not improved." Dr. Chakraborty explained that packaged oats products like biscuits, noodles, and cookies are not health foods. They are marketing gimmicks. They still contain refined flour, sugar, and preservatives, with only a little oats added. These products are dangerous for diabetes. So does that mean oats are bad? Not at all. Dr. Chakraborty says oats can be useful if eaten the right way. The key is portion size, type of oats, and what you combine them with. He explains that instant oats are the worst option. They are broken down and processed, so they raise sugar quickly. Rolled oats or steel-cut oats are far better. They take longer to digest and keep sugar levels more stable. Dr. Chakraborty often advises patients to use oats in two safe ways. The first is oats khichdi. Instead of eating a big bowl of plain oats porridge, make a khichdi with oats, dal, and lots of vegetables. Add a little paneer or curd on the side. This way, the oats are balanced with protein and fiber, and the sugar rise is much less. The second safe way is overnight oats. Take rolled oats, soak them overnight in water or curd, and add nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, or pumpkin seeds. In the morning, eat them cold or at room temperature. This combination of oats with curd and nuts slows digestion and keeps you full without spikes. One patient told him, "Doctor, after switching to overnight oats with curd and seeds, I do not feel hungry till lunchtime, and my sugars are more stable." But Dr. Chakraborty warns, do not eat large portions. A small bowl is enough. And do not add sugar, honey, or sweet fruits. These turn oats into a sugar bomb. He compares two patients. Patient A eats 2 large bowls of instant oats with sugar and milk. He thinks it is healthy, but his sugar shoots up, and his insulin rises. His medicines keep increasing. Patient B eats a small bowl of overnight oats soaked in curd with nuts and seeds. Or a bowl of oats khichdi with dal and vegetables. His sugar rise is mild, he feels full, and his medicines reduce. Both ate oats. But one ate it wrong, the other ate it right. Dr. Chakraborty also points out that oats are not compulsory. You can live without oats and still reverse diabetes. The focus should not be on searching for one special grain, but on reducing all grains and eating more vegetables, sprouts, curd, paneer, fish, chicken, eggs, nuts, and seeds. He says, oats can be used occasionally as part of variety. But if you depend on oats every day thinking they will reverse your diabetes, you will be disappointed. Reversal comes from fixing insulin resistance, not from one food. One of his patients said, "Doctor, I thought oats biscuits and oats noodles were good for me. But once I stopped them and started oats khichdi with vegetables instead, my sugar control improved, and my medicines reduced." Another patient who had high cholesterol switched from paranthas to overnight oats with curd and seeds. Within 6 months, his cholesterol dropped, his sugar stabilized, and his weight reduced. This shows that when oats are used the right way, they can help as part of reversal. Dr. Chakraborty is clear that medicines cannot do this. Medicines lower sugar numbers, but they cannot stop the cravings, the hunger, the belly fat, or the tiredness. They cannot reverse insulin resistance. Only lifestyle can do that. That is why his program focuses on simple Indian foods, eaten the right way. Safe, scientific, and practical guidance. Not a strict diet chart, but step-by-step advice that patients can follow daily. Supported by a senior dietitian, and led by Dr. Chakraborty himself. One patient told him, "Doctor, for the first time I feel I'm eating tasty food, Indian food, but my medicines are going down. I never thought this was possible." You too can take this step. Consult Dr. Anirban Chakraborty online from anywhere in the world. Call or WhatsApp at +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7. Choose a regular consultation if you need medicines, or a reversal session where Dr. Chakraborty studies your lifestyle and gives you detailed guidance to reduce illness with less or no medicine. Again, the number is +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7. Remember, oats are not a miracle. They are still a grain. Use them wisely, in small amounts, with protein and vegetables. Avoid instant oats, biscuits, and packaged products. Choose oats khichdi or overnight soaked oats with curd, nuts, and seeds for the safest results. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos on diet, exercise, sleep, and stress, the 4 pillars of diabetes and obesity reversal. And for more information on diabetes and obesity reversal, look at our website given in the description.